Okay, I was called out here to get this air strut removed. Well, we're gonna be replacing the air strut, but right now I'm trying to get this air strut removed from this 2008 Mercedes CLS 550. It's a real quick and easy job to do. Only right now I'm stuck trying to get this control arm separated from this here so I can start getting that air strut removed. But real quick, as far as removing the air strut, on top you have 3 size 13 millimeter nuts, which is this one here, 1, 2, and 3. You're going to be removing those 3. I removed those 2, and this is halfway removed because once I get this air strut removed from down here, to keep it from that air strut dropping, I have this halfway screwed in. That'll keep it from dropping down. But then you got your air line here. You got this air hose that you need to remove, which is this here. It's a size 10 millimeter wrench. And then you got your electrical. You disconnect your electrical. So disconnecting your electrical harness, removing this size 10 millimeter air hose, move that to the side. You got your 3 size 13 millimeter nuts. You remove those, you come down here, you have an electrical cord here that you're going to be unclipping, and then down here, right in here, so right down in there you have your size 21 millimeter bolt and nut, which looks like this. It goes right in that right underneath that strut. And once you get that removed, you go up here to remove this. This here is a size, I believe it's a size 13. Once you get this removed, then you just got to separate this, so then you can move this down to remove the air strut. And that's where I'm at now. I need to separate this so I can go ahead and get this rotor, this wheel, this whole assembly moved down in order to get this air strut removed. Alright, we got that removed. So this is gonna come down. I'm gonna have to pry this down to get back in here and removing this. But remember that size 13 millimeter nut that I had halfway, I'm gonna completely remove it so that this air strut can start coming down. I'm gonna have to wiggle it off of this here and then bring this down, and then it's just pretty much remove and replace. Now if you're wondering how I got this separated, I went ahead and picked up this tool here. It goes in between the ball joint and this here, basically like this. And what you do is you just hammer it in until it creates that space and pops off that upper control arm. So when you're hitting this in, it eventually pops that upper control arm off of this thing here. So in order to remove that air strut, we apply pressure here, pushing this down as much as we could to get in the bottom of that air strut off of this here. Once you get it removed from here, that air strut would just fall down.